barukukuma ebigyezo ebya PLE otiriho nangu nabo abarukubigaba omu mashomero agari omu municipality ya Kasese eizoba gababera nino ga ruguru ahabwo kushanga ngu babatarikubaasa okuhika myanya narisha amashomero ago abantu baza kukuma mwebuuza ebi hamwe no kubigabamu ahabwo kushanga ngu amaizi ag'omugyera gwa Nyamwamba gaba gabogire.
I was in fear, but I had no option. Then I had to cross to move down the river Nyamwamba, and a generous man helped me cross the river, and I was wet all over, all over. Actually, the place, though is in municipality, it is hard to reach.
After kugambira amashomero omuri municipality ya Kasese agari mu nkambula Kasaka Masule hamwe nago agehingurize omugero gwa Nyamwamba omuri municipality ya Kasese obwa hati tegari kubasa kutahwa oyihireho watambuze bigire okambuka omugera ogwa Nyamwamba. Aho umunyamakuru witu yagera kuhika umwanya ogu yashanga beji abarukukuma ebizamu otiriho nangu nabo abarukubigaba mu mashomero agari omu municipality ya Kasese otiriho nangu n'abaturage bona bashobanjirirwe hankungu y'omugyera ogwa Nyamwamba embaju n'embaju bashobirwe okubarayambuka amaizi aga. Bamwe aha baba bakwasiibwe omwuga gw'okugaba ebigyezi ebi hamwe n'okubikuuma mu mashomero gatari gamwe na gamwe omuri municipality ya Kasese bwa nyuma y'okwambuka omugyera ogu ogwa Nyamwamba bagira okutiina kw'amaani munonga hamwe n'okwerarikirira obwo barikuteekateeka ngu akiire nikabaasa kuhika kandi omugyera ogwa Nyamwamba guboge abeegi babure oku bagwambuka ebigyezo bikiri kugyenda omu maisho.
There's no any bridge now connecting us to the other side. So we have in Masule Primary School where we had to cross still the water. We navigated around the water. Then even here from Kasaka we have also crossed the waters, and it is so terrible for us distributors. And my recommendation is to the authorities, next time we're going to see how we organize these schools to cross before it rains, so that the students can do the exams this side.
As we talk, it is already 10, but we have not received exams. But the inspector is confirming and is saying the distributor is soon arriving. That is the situation at the center.
Okurjira aha Reverend Luke Karori owabanaga ebigyezi ebi omu mashomero gatari gamwe na gamwe nashoborera ngu ekigyezo ky'okubanza kyahika h'ishomero erya Kasaka Primary School hamwe na Masule Primary School aha shaha nkiina z'akasheshe ahabw'okushanga ngu omugyera gwa Nyamwamba gwaba gubogire amaizi garikushesheka.
The exams are supposed at least to arrive on time, and that is 8:30 and above. 8:30 and above. But right now we are doing an exam almost towards 10. It is 10 now because of the school being in a remote area and a non-motorable place.
By this time we have not yet received the exam because of the terrain. So the distributor started up in Masule, so he's descending down. Up to now we have not yet received the paper at this time. This is already it's already 10.
Amakuru aga gashakwa Muhindo Gerard ahabwa Sky TV agenshonga.